Hollow Diary 002. A heinous crime has been committed. This morning, I awoke to find my laboratory in shambles. The vectomorphic tricilloscope was smashed. The crack-resistant flume canisters were cracked. And worst of all, an egregious theft had been committed. The plans for the protomorphic energy extractor, gone. All that was left behind was a recipe for drop-it stew. Mr. Dinkles, my friend, my muse. Someone had taken him, but it couldn't be. No. Nevo, what have you done? Hollow Diary 003. It has been 22 years since I lost Mr. Dinkles. I checked the fjords of Rankaroon, the meadows of Tortumfi, and even the bluffs of Vendros. Nothing. But I know he's out there. Poor Mr. Dinkles. I shudder to think of the countless birthdays he spent as a slave to Nevo's machinations. What plans does that traitor have for these creatures? I must act before it's too late. I have repurposed an old servitor drone to scour the planet for his whereabouts. Using a sample of Mr. Dinkles' DNA, Ephemeris will run a comparative analysis of every life form it encounters until it finds a match. Without Mr. Dinkles, Nevo's plans will crumble and Magnus will be safe from his treachery.
What?
What are you doing here?
You know, I'm actually starting to like it here. Sure, it's a dangerous planet riddled with murderous robots and exotic predators, but take away all that, and what do you have? A presidential retreat / water park.
Can I kill him now?
No.
I can make it look like an accident.
How?
Ratchet.
Hollow Diary 004. It has been 50 years since Mr. Dinkles was taken, and my rescue plan has backfired in a most disastrous way. The directive matrix that restricts Ephemeris to this planet has been deleted. The onboard surveillance camera shows that this was no accident. This was Nevo's doing. This is twice he has taken what does not belong to him. Only now, he has something that will allow him to expand his plan beyond the confines of Magnus. And now, Ephemeris grows under Nevo's control. He's modifying it for interplanetary travel, extending his reach further and further into the cosmos. Soon, I will be no stopping him. I can wait no longer. I must venture to Uzo City for a long overdue confession, and to convince the Tharpods to stop my old friend. At all costs. We must succeed. For if we fail, dark times will befall the planet. Or worse, the universe itself.